You bring the appetite, we bring the flavor, Domino's, where cravings meet their match. In the fast food giants and pizza chains world, few stories are as fascinating and tumultuous as those of Domino's Pizza. It's a tale of humble beginnings, audacious marketing campaigns, public relations nightmares, and a triumphant resurgence. The story of Domino's Pizza is not just about a company that delivers pizza. It's a roller coaster narrative of innovation, perseverance, and lessons learned the hard way. This narrative revolves around the life of Thomas Monahan, the founder of Domino's Pizza, who overcame a tumultuous childhood to build a billion-dollar empire. However, it is essential to note that this is a complex success story. Domino's Pizza encountered multiple scandals and setbacks. In this detailed exploration, we will delve into the incredible history of Domino's Pizza, beginning with the early life of its founder, Thomas Monahan. Thomas Monahan's journey begins in Ann Arbor, Michigan on March 25, 1937. His early life was marked by tragedy and adversity. At the tender age of 4, he experienced the sudden loss of his father, a truck driver, due to severe ulcers. This loss plunged young Tom into a nightmare as his mother struggled to make ends meet. She initially pursued nursing school but abandoned her dreams to support her 2 sons, Tom and Jim. Tom and his brother were placed in foster homes and orphanages, hoping their mother would return when she could afford to care for them. However, this separation would last for 7 long years, during which the brothers moved in and out of various foster homes and institutions. Tom's childhood was far from idyllic, characterized by strict foster parents, arguments, and a stint at a Catholic boarding school run by nuns. Despite his hardships, Tom dreamed of a different future for himself. While at the Catholic boarding school, he expressed aspirations of becoming a priest, an architect, and even a shortstop for the Detroit Tigers. These dreams were an escape from the harsh realities of his life. However, Tom's life took an unexpected turn when he decided to join the Marines after being discharged from the Catholic boarding school. During his time in the Marines, he discovered an ambition that would later change the course of his life. While serving in the Marines, Tom began to daydream about his future, envisioning a life filled with cars, homes, and airplanes. These dreams were the seeds of his entrepreneurial spirit. In 1959, when he received an honorable discharge from the Marines, he embarked on the path to building his dream, albeit on a much smaller scale. Tom's first foray into business was as a newspaper delivery boy. This experience, seemingly unrelated to pizza, would be a crucial stepping stone in his journey. Here, he learned valuable skills and insights into the business side of things, such as bookkeeping and customer service. This early exposure to entrepreneurship laid the foundation for what would become a global pizza empire. The inception of Dominick's, which would later evolve into Domino's Pizza, marked a significant turning point in the life of its founder, Thomas Monahan. Established in 1960, this first pizzeria was the humble beginning of a global pizza empire that would eventually redefine the fast food industry. The launch of Dominick's was a modest affair, with its doors opening in Ypsilanti, Michigan. Thomas Monahan and his brother Jim were the driving forces behind this initial venture. However, the journey could have been more glamorous, and their first week of sales only amounted to a meager $1.99. It was a challenging start for the Monahan brothers, but it was evident that Thomas Monahan's unwavering commitment to the pizza business was unshakable. Despite the initial setbacks, Thomas Monahan's dedication was unwavering. He had an unrelenting belief in the potential of their pizza venture and a burning desire to succeed. Tom's passion for the business was so profound that he made the life-altering decision to commit himself to becoming what he called a pizza man. Monahan's sacrifices for the sake of Dominick's were significant. When money was scarce, he resorted to living in the store, sleeping there at night. His meals often consisted of pizzas that were either burnt or remained unclaimed by customers and would have otherwise been discarded. These personal sacrifices indicated his determination and work ethic, later defining the Domino's brand. While Dominick struggled in its early days, Tom Monaghan's vision extended far beyond this pizzeria. He recognized the potential for growth through franchising, laying the groundwork for a revolutionary business model. This was a pivotal moment in the company's history, as it set the stage for the widespread success and expansion that would define Domino's Pizza in the years to come. The genesis of Domino's Pizza as a pioneering franchise model was a critical milestone that transformed it from a single pizzeria into a global pizza empire. Thomas Monaghan, the founder, recognized the potential for rapid growth through franchising and implemented a strategic approach that set Domino's apart from its competitors. Key to Domino's success in franchising was its strategic location strategy. Monaghan understood the importance of proximity to colleges and universities to ensure a steady and enthusiastic customer base. The company tapped into the student market by strategically placing Domino's stores near campuses, creating a reliable stream of orders. This approach boosted sales and solidified Domino's presence in local communities, making it a household name. Another groundbreaking innovation was the centralization of ingredient and supply preparation. Domino's established a central hub where all ingredients, including pizza dough, sauce, and toppings, were prepared. This centralized model allowed Domino's to purchase raw materials in larger volumes, securing cost advantages through bulk purchasing. Additionally, it ensured consistency in the quality of ingredients across all Domino's locations, guaranteeing that customers would receive the same great taste regardless of where they ordered their pizza. The centralized supply system also streamlined operations and reduced the burden on individual franchisees. They no longer had to manage the procurement and preparation of ingredients themselves, which simplified their responsibilities and permitted them to focus on running efficient and customer-friendly stores. Franchisees were a critical part of Domino's success. Monaghan was selective in choosing franchisees, ensuring they had the experience and financial capacity to make their stores successful. This careful vetting process contributed to the overall success of the franchise model, as capable and motivated entrepreneurs operated each Domino's location. The franchise model allowed Domino's to scale rapidly. As new franchisees boarded, the brand's footprint expanded, becoming recognizable across the United States and eventually worldwide. This growth bolstered Domino's market share and positioned it as a dominant player in the fast food industry. In conclusion, the genesis of Domino's Pizza as a pioneering franchise model was instrumental in transforming from a single pizza store to a global phenomenon. By strategically locating stores near colleges, centralizing ingredient preparation, and selecting capable franchisees, Thomas Monaghan laid the foundation for Domino's rapid and enduring success. This innovative approach fueled Domino's expansion and ensured consistency in quality and customer experience, making Domino's Pizza a household name in fast food. The introduction of the 30-minute delivery guarantee by Domino's Pizza was a double-edged sword that brought both immense success and significant challenges. This bold marketing campaign revolutionized the pizza industry and attracted many customers seeking fast and convenient service. However, it also came with inherent risks, including pressure on delivery drivers and legal liabilities. In 1984, Domino's unveiled its iconic 30-minute delivery guarantee. Pizzas would be delivered to customers' doors within 30 minutes of placing an order, or the pizza would be free. This pledge was a game-changer, catering to consumers' desire for quick, hassle-free dining options. It set Domino's apart from its competitors and gave customers a compelling reason to choose Domino's for their pizza cravings. The campaign's success was undeniable. Customers flocked to Domino's, drawn by the promise of rapid delivery. The guarantee increased sales and solidified Domino's reputation as a leader in the fast food delivery market. It showcased the company's commitment to meeting customer demands and exceeding expectations. However, the 30-minute delivery guarantee had a darker side, a side that would eventually lead to its demise. The pressure to meet the tight 30-minute deadline placed immense strain on Domino's delivery drivers. They faced the challenge of navigating traffic, weather conditions, and other obstacles while ensuring timely deliveries. This pressure resulted in accidents and injuries, as drivers sometimes drove recklessly to meet the deadline. The legal liabilities from these accidents became a significant concern for Domino's Pizza. Lawsuits were filed against the company, holding it responsible for accidents caused by its drivers' haste. The most notable case involved a Domino's driver who ran a red light, causing a collision that left another driver with spinal cord injuries. Domino's was ultimately required to pay $79 million in damages. These lawsuits, public outcry, and growing concerns over driver safety prompted Domino's to reconsider its 30-minute delivery guarantee. The company realized that the marketing campaign that had brought it immense success was now becoming a liability. In 1993, Domino's Pizza decided to discontinue the 30-minute delivery guarantee. While the guarantee had been a powerful marketing tool, it had also led to a series of unfortunate incidents and financial burdens. Domino's could no longer justify the risks associated with the promise of ultra-fast delivery. Removing the 30-minute delivery guarantee marked a turning point for Domino's Pizza. It was a moment of reflection and a recognition of the importance of safety and responsibility. Domino's had to balance its commitment to customer satisfaction with the well-being of its employees and the public. In conclusion, the 30-minute delivery guarantee was a double-edged sword for Domino's Pizza. While it catapulted the company to new heights of success and customer loyalty, it also exposed the brand to legal liabilities and safety concerns. Ultimately, the guarantee was abandoned to prioritize safety and responsibility, showcasing Domino's willingness to adapt and develop in response to changing circumstances and challenges. Despite its tremendous success and innovative marketing campaigns, Domino's Pizza found itself embroiled in a series of controversies that triggered significant public backlash. These incidents threatened the company's reputation and raised questions about its practices and commitment to customer safety. In the early 1990s, Domino's Pizza faced a wave of public outrage and boycotts over concerns about the quality of its pizzas. Customers and critics alike expressed dissatisfaction with the taste and ingredients of Domino's offerings. The negative sentiment gained momentum as dissatisfied customers shared their experiences. Some even took to social media and public forums to voice their grievances. What began as isolated complaints soon snowballed into a broader movement, with individuals and groups calling for a boycott of Domino's. The quality issue became a focal point of the controversy. Customers accused Domino's of using subpar ingredients and producing pizzas lacking flavor and overall quality. The brand's reputation, built on promises of speedy delivery and customer satisfaction, was at risk of tarnishing. In response to the backlash, Domino's grappled with the challenge of retaining its customer base while addressing the quality concerns that had sparked public outrage. Moreover, the negative sentiment was not limited to dissatisfied customers. Consumer groups formed organizations like People Against Dangerous Delivery to protest Domino's practices. These groups united in their mission to hold the company accountable for safety issues related to its delivery drivers and the potential dangers they posed on the roads. Domino's realized that what had once been highly positive marketing for them, the promise of speedy delivery, was now becoming a contentious issue that needed immediate attention. In 2009, Domino's Pizza encountered a modern challenge in the form of a viral video scandal. Two employees posted a video on YouTube that showed them engaging in unsanitary practices while preparing pizzas. The video circulated like wildfire across the internet, triggering outrage and disgust among viewers. By Tuesday, the video had reached 250,000 views. By Wednesday, it had surpassed 1 million views, eventually exceeding 2 million before being taken down. News sites picked up the story, and social media was abuzz with discussions about the gross video. It was a public relations nightmare for Domino's Pizza. In response to the scandal, Domino's took swift action. The employees involved in the video were terminated, and the company issued public apologies. However, the damage to the brand's image was significant. It was a stark reminder of the power of social media to amplify negative experiences and impact a company's reputation. Amid the public relations challenges, declining sales, and a falling stock price, Domino's Pizza faced a daunting future as it entered the 2010s. Yet, in a surprising turn of events, the company emerged as one of the best-performing stocks of the decade. How did Domino's manage to stage such a remarkable comeback? The key to Domino's resurgence lay in acknowledging its quality issues and embracing transparency. In 2010, Domino's launched a bold marketing campaign that openly admitted its pizza was not up to par and promised to do better. The company announced a complete overhaul of its recipes, pledging to use higher quality ingredients and improve the taste of its pizzas. This campaign, which included TV commercials featuring customer feedback and unflattering comments about Domino's Pizza, was risky. However, it struck a chord with consumers. Domino's was willing to confront its shortcomings and make genuine improvements. Alongside its commitment to quality, Domino's Pizza leveraged technology to enhance the customer experience. Online ordering and the Domino's Pizza Tracker, which allowed customers to monitor their orders in real time, were game changers. These innovations made ordering more convenient and transparent, reinforcing Domino's dedication to customer satisfaction. The astonishing stock performance of Domino's Pizza. In the last decade, Domino's Pizza achieved a financial feat that defied expectations. Despite its earlier challenges, the company's stock price experienced remarkable growth, making it one of the best-performing stocks in the market. To put it into perspective, Domino's stock price increased by just under 3,000% over the decade. This exceptional stock performance was not limited to the food industry. Domino's emerged as a top performer across all sectors. During this period, investors who had the foresight to invest in Domino's witnessed their investments multiply manifold. The transformation of Domino's Pizza serves as a testament to the power of resilience, adaptability, and a commitment to customer satisfaction. The company's ability to confront its weaknesses, embrace innovation, and maintain transparency ultimately allowed it to survive and prosper in an increasingly competitive market. Conclusion. The insane story of Domino's Pizza encapsulates a remarkable journey marked by adversity, innovation, and triumph. From the challenging childhood of its founder, Thomas Monaghan, to establishing the first Domino's Pizza store, the company's history is a testament to the invincible human spirit and the power of entrepreneurial vision. While Domino's Pizza faced numerous controversies, setbacks, and challenges, it found ways to adapt and overcome. Despite its drawbacks, the introduction of the 30-minute delivery guarantee catapulted the brand to new heights. The company navigated public backlash and viral scandals, emerging as a more robust and transparent brand. Domino's Pizza's resurgence in the 2010s, driven by a commitment to quality and technological innovation, is a shining example of corporate reinvention. Its stock performance in the last decade defied expectations and demonstrated the enduring appeal of a brand that listens to its customers and evolves to meet their needs. In the ever-evolving food industry landscape, Domino's Pizza's journey from humble beginnings to global prominence is an inspirational tale of how determination, innovation, and a focus on the customer experience can lead to astonishing success. Domino's Pizza has shown that, even in the face of the most challenging circumstances, the pursuit of excellence and a dedication to improvement can turn an ordinary pizza into an extraordinary story of triumph. If you found this information helpful and want more content, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable insights and knowledge on a wide range of topics. Thank you for being a part of our community.